So here is it, my 2024 goals. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So lately I've been really feeling sad and not myself, and it's already 2024 and I didn't set my goals or I did nothing, you know. And I feel like it's time right now, and I'm feeling really inspired and motivated. I watched a lot of YouTube videos of like people doing their vision boards and goals. So yeah, so hopefully this night we can like set our goals, do everything to prepare to 2024, and do some self-care things. So yeah, let's start with the video. So I'm gonna start by setting my 2024 goals. So what I'm thinking, so first of all, I have like my journal right here, and I'm thinking I'm gonna take a paper and rewrite my goals in it, and then stick it to the wall so I can see it every day. So yeah, let's start. So I just finished setting my goal, and let me show you. So I did and write again my goals in this paper, and I'm gonna stick it to the wall. So yeah. So here is it, my 2024 goals. So I wrote my career goals, my school goals, my self-care goals, and body, mindset, and mentally and religious. So yeah, and my main focus on this 2024, I want to be consistent on YouTube and post weekly, like once a week, and get back to my fitness journey. I used to work out like every day, and right now I don't even work out. So I wrote to work out 3 times a week. I want to journal daily, normalize being alone, and be independent and rely on myself more often. So this is it for my so this is it for my 2024 goals. So guys, now it's time for the skincare routine. So let me put this headband. Oh my god. So I'm gonna start with vitamin E and some oil. I'm gonna mix actually both of these. So oh my god, it's falling. So I am gonna use this. It's like similar to gua sha, but it's not gua sha, and I feel like personally this works better than gua sha. And then I'm gonna put some cream. So it smells really good. So I really have a very dry lips, so I use a lip balm. Wait. I don't have a mirror. I don't know why. Like, wait, why am I relying to this? And I'm gonna add Vaseline because, as I said, I really have a very dry lips, so need double moisturize. Oh my god, that's a lot. And last thing, I really like to use this wait, what is this? So this is a serum like that grows your lashes and your eyebrows, but I only like to use it on my lashes because, as you can see, I have a thick brows. So, oh my, okay. What is wrong right now? Okay. Okay. Things are going really good. Some ASMR. And let's go. Now, let's move on to the hair. So, I'm gonna brush my hair. And I like to put some oil, and then I will just braid my hair. So 2 sections, and I will just braid it. So I always like to moisturize my body before I sleep, so I use this lotion. So before I sleep, I really like to drink a lot of water. So I always like to finish my day by reading